BJP President Amit Shah will today meet party office bearers to lay down the agenda for the party's national executive meeting starting tomorrow in Bengaluru. 2 days national executive meeting will focus on the expansion of the party's base and ways to propagate the work of the Modi government. There is BJP's first national executive meet since assuming power at the centre last year. The conclave will be attended by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, party President Amit Shah and other top leaders including L.K. Advani. Now the land acquisition issue seems to be top of the agenda for the BJP this time around. Party top brass is likely to ask its members to take across the message that the bill is aimed at ensuring development of rural India and the progress of farmers. The meeting is likely to endorse 2 resolutions which will touch upon the successful foreign policy initiatives of the government, its social security endeavours as well. Now, during the 2-day meet, BJP leaders are also expected to discuss the Delhi debacle and the strategy for the upcoming state elections, while a discussion is likely on issues like Ghar Wapsi and activities of the fringe elements.
सरकार के आने के बाद देश हित में किए जाने वाले जो कार्यक्रम हैं, चाहे वो बजट के माध्यम से, चाहे स्वतंत्र रूप से, उन सारे बातों के विषय में गहराई से विचार विमर्श होगा और जो लोगों तक पहुंचाने के लिए किस प्रकार के कार्यक्रम पार्टी के ओर से होना चाहिए आने वाले 2-3 महीने में, और साथ में ये भी होगा कि स्वाभाविक ही हमारे राजनीतिक पार्टी हैं तो आगे चुनावों की तैयारी और पार्टी की तैयारी सारी बातों पर राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी में विचार विमर्श करेंगे।
10 महीने का हमारा काम, सरकार का काम कैसा होगा और क्या क्या आगे बढ़ने के क्या चीज लेना पड़ेगा, इसलिए व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स फ्यूचर थिंग्स दैट नीड टू बी डन वो सभी डिस्कस होगा।
Brijesh Pandey is now joining us with the latest details from Bengaluru. Brijesh, the land acquisition ordinance has been repromulgated, but during this meet, will there be a threadbare discussion on where the party went wrong as far as getting support on the bill is concerned?
Well, Maha, not only land acquisition bill, I think all the issues and most of the flagship schemes launched by the government will be discussed, and the issue will also, the strategy will also be discussed as to what kind of effort the government should make to make sure that the scheme and its benefits reaches maximum number of people. And once they are able to convey that, the feeling the party is that they will also be able to extract political mileage out of it. In the land acquisition bill, the opposition was partly successful in painting the government, in pushing the government to a corner and painting in a pro-corporate image, feeling after which Nitin Gadkari as well as the Prime Minister retorted back in his Mann Ki Baat statement. So the party will take stock. It's basically a stock-taking exercise of what all the government, where exactly the government has faltered, what the government has done good, and how to improve the situation further. Because the first litmus test, Maha, will be the election of Bihar, and this particular land acquisition bill will be a major issue there. So the government does not want to take anything which will embarrass it and for which they will have to pay a political price. Maha?
Yes, absolutely. In fact, Nitish Kumar had already made a political issue out of it by going on a fast for a day over the land acquisition bill. Many thanks, Brijesh, for getting us those details.